We back with the XTM. Just gonna do some light tests. I did some adjustments. I want to see if it worked. Put a GPS on the inside if I can. I don't think I can. All right, how's it going, YouTube? Back out with the XTM. I did some adjustments. I just did some light hits before I turned the camera on, and I'm already not liking it. So I was gonna just do some test hits, but I'm gonna just see if I can get a speed run in. I ain't changed no gearing, I just changed some shocks, see if that would have helped. Unfortunately, I don't think it did, but time it started, GPS is zeroed out. Just get a quick test hit in real quick. If the car pull on me, I'm gonna just let out of it and call it a wrap for today. Same gearing, I believe I hit 86 with, but the car was all over the place, so if it does the same thing, I probably won't even post this video. But to give y'all an update, I just might, because I'm still deciding if I'm using this on the Ape scale or not. Right now my Exceed is doing a lot of jumping, and this is all of a sudden not going straight. But I haven't been testing on 6S, I've been testing on 4, so now that I actually putting power to it, I see the flaw. But it started happening once I changed the shocks on the car. I noticed that big time. Already getting a lot of pulling. And my battery just went dead on my remote. Alright, let's just get this puller, y'all. See if it goes straight. She was not going straight, but I did not want to let out, so I stayed in it. Yes, I did. I know I ain't hit that much, but I stayed in it full throttle for a little minute. Was riding smooth. I didn't hear no scraping. Hit 84. That ain't bad. I didn't really get to see what the distance was. 0.40, it say. But 84, that's not bad. I mean, it's no spectacular gearing on here. Trying to get the car dialed in, and it's been a problem. I've been getting it pulling on me right hard. I actually just took off straight there now that I'm talking about it. That was funny. Let's see if we get another one, what it do. See the whole car raising up on me. See that? All that jumping. That's what I'm out here to correct. We'll get it right though. I ain't giving up on it. She did good. I could still gear up and get another speed run in and dial it in some more for speed runs, but I really want the car to hit for drag. I built it for drag, then back and forth for speed runs. I've yet to hit 100 with it. I did 96, but then I stopped speed running it because I had this shock problem. The stock shocks I had on here worked perfectly fine. I had this car dialed in on 8S, it was going straight. And then the shaft broke, it hit the table, and I ended up breaking one of the shocks on shafts, and it was a stock shocks, and I could rarely find them now. So ever since I put in a whole bunch of different shocks up there, the car never ran right. So the saga continues, y'all. Anyway, stay tuned for more. I ain't giving up on it. RC Fun, over and out, y'all. All right, YouTube, back out with the XTM. I did went ahead and change the shocks. Went ahead and see how it's gonna adjust and act to that. It was acting crazy the other day, so hopefully the shocks will help. Also, I'm still running the batteries. It's like 87% charge, so I didn't want to, I need a full cycle before I can charge them, so I need to kill them out. So just wanted to throw this in at the end, see if we can get it dialed in real quick over here. So waiting on Johnny. So we'll have some more testing in. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, we'll get some quick test hits in, see if she handled it. She jumping. Got the power turned down, see if she handled it. Alright, y'all, it's like on 60%, 70, I believe. But either way, we're gonna see if it handle it. Pull into the right hard. A lot of jumping in the front, man. Alright, guys, so I did a little bit of adjustments. We're gonna test it out and see how it works out. Right over there. Gotta get it right.
That one that's always hopping around.
And it's only hopping because I put these brand new fucking tires on it, and they're the hardest compound. I got some pink shorts. I think I should go with those and see if it's hopping. I've noticed no matter what I do to this car, it's hopping because of the foam. I think that's exactly why it's hopping. And it's only at 70% right now. Took it a lot better though.
Everywhere.
All right. Okay, there we go. Got it on 100. Let's see if this thing do a backflip or it take it. That was a lot better. Still hopping though, but I think them foam's still breaking in. That's why that shit hopping like that. Got Johnny out, testing the tuner, got the Italian. Yeah, getting that thing ready. Hitting nice though.